Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install macOS Tahoe Beta 26. So the last video is I will attempt to guide you how to create an EFI for macOS Tahoe. So in this video, I'll show you how to install macOS Tahoe. So the macOS Tahoe recovery image, I will put it in the link in the description, so make sure to check it. Now, the first thing is you need to have an OpenCore EFI and macOS Tahoe recovery images and at least 4 GB USB. Now, go to your browser, type OpenCore simple file. Now visit this website. Download is a zip. Now you're gonna download hardware sniffer. Now download this recovery images, so I'll put the link in the description, so make sure to check it. Now we're gonna wait for the file. Alright, so we've got the macOS Tahoe recovery images. Now, first you're gonna format your USB to FAT32, so you just need at least just only need the 4 GB USB, so you can install macOS. Now, format it into FAT32. Now, first go to Microsoft Store. Now you're gonna find Python for me. Python 5.3.11. If you already installed 5.3.11, you don't need to install. Now, run hardware sniffer as administrator. Now, you're gonna choose Export Hardware Report. And also choose a dump ACP table. Now, run ACP dump as administrator. Now you're gonna extract macOS Tahoe recovery images. And also extract OpenCore simple file. Now, run OpenCore simple file as administrator. Now, if you want to skip the update process, you can press yes, or if you don't want, you can press no. Now you're gonna press 1, select hardware report. Now go back to the result here. Now copy the report.json file. Paste it in here. Now, if all your computer components are blue like this, you're good to go. Now select macOS version. Now I will choose 25 macOS Tahoe. Now copy the ACPI folder as path. Now you're going to choose Customize SMBIOS model. Now white means you can select it, or if it's green, it's already selected for you. Now I asked my Hackintosh guy that I can use iMac 20,1, so I don't have an external GPU, so if you guys have an external GPU, you can check your AMD Radeon Pro GPU and then you can select it, or you can choose the NVDA. Now I would choose iMac 20,1. Now you're gonna choose build OpenCore EFI. Now this is the sound audio. Now I've already asked GPT that if I can use the codec layout ID because I don't really remember this step, so I have to ask them. Now this is asked for me like the sound card. So it try recommend me for Realtek, Myron Realtek LC 887 VD. Now I will choose Insanely Deep Pack Realtek ALC AA7 VD. Alright. Now you're gonna copy the EFI folder into your USB first. Now copy the com.apple.recovery boot. So when I asked ChatGPT that select the audio driver, so that is the audio driver. I just asked them to select for me the audio driver. Now wait for it to copy finish. Now let's begin the installations. First, restart your computer and head into the BIOS. Now choose Advanced mode. Now choose Boot. Now remember, disable fast boot. Turn off secure boot if you need. But in this case, I will disable secure boot. Now remember, turn SATA into AHCI. Now choose boot option number 1 this USB, and boot option number 2 is your Windows storage. Now save change and exit. Now choose your USB that contains macOS. So here's my USB. Alright, so when it boots into macOS Tahoe install screen, now you just follow the installing step. Now you're gonna choose disk utility. Now select the disk that you want to install macOS. So here's my macOS disk that I want to install. Now you're gonna choose erase. Now if you want to name it again, you can change, or if you don't want, you can keep. Now choose format is APFS. Click on done. Now you're gonna choose reinstall macOS beta. Now select the disk that you want to install macOS. Now click on continue. Now you just wait for the installations finish.
A few minutes later. much later. One eternity later. The next day.
Alright, so if you guys have the correct external GPU drivers for the macOS Tahoe when you're choosing S and BIOS, so you're good to go. So in this case, I don't have any external GPU, so you can see the screen is white like this, and it just stopped at this step. So that is how you install macOS Tahoe. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, shares button, and watch my new video when I upload. Now goodbye.